Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue. So, a client in California has 2 wooden entry doors, and they're getting hit by the sun quite a bit, so they weather often. She's asked if I could create some metal panels for her, very similar to what I do with the sliding metal doors that I make. So, that's what we're gonna make. I started with cutting the 1/2-inch flat stock for the framework. Once all the flat stock was cut, then I welded it all together. I only needed 2 panels. Next, I got some 22 gauge sheet steel, sprayed some vinegar on top of that, and then I'll take another piece of sheet steel and sandwich that together. To make sure it stays together, toss on a little bit of weight and press that down. A couple days later, voila, magic, colorful, cool looking rust. So then I cut the panel to size and I get it welded to the framework. I do just regular tack bead on the side. With 22 gauge, it's got to be quick so you don't burn through the 22 gauge sheet. Once the 2 panels are made, I had to make the bracket so that I could hang the panels on the door. I did this by using some 1/2-inch angle, and because I forgot to videotape part of it, here's what it looked like. So, side of your door, and you attach that angle with a screw, and then you hang your panel and put a screw through that. And there you go. You got panels that go on top of the doors that are secured on the top and the bottom, and then I seal them with a clear lacquer. I know that this was a very quick video, but I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now, and keep an eye out. I try to drop my videos about every Saturday. We'll see you in the next one.